Hey there, in this Canva tutorial, I'll show you how to use a timer in Canva to help you stay on track with your work. Simply click on the timer button at the bottom of the page. You can decrease or increase the time by 1 minute or type in the exact duration. You can also choose whether to have music playing in the background or keep it silent. Hit play to start the timer countdown. If you need to pause or reset the timer, it's super easy. Just click on the respective buttons. We can also minimize it. This timer feature is great for keeping yourself focused and managing your time effectively while working in Canva. Thanks for watching.